Hey guys, welcome to the channel.
Welcome back. Today is the day. We have the AB-Warthog suppressor 7.62. First time I'm going to be shooting it, and super excited. Again, thank you AB for that. So today we're going to be using two different types of ammunition, of course, because some of y'all want the subsonics and some of y'all want the non-subsonics. We're going to be shooting today the Barnes, pushing about 21 feet per second. That'll be in the black mag, and then we'll be using the Federal subsonics. They are pushing 220 grain. I think it's about 1060 feet per second on these. That'll be in the tan magazine. So pretty much, let's just get into it. Fantastic customer service. Love dealing with them. They're very, very down to earth, and nothing but respect. So second off, I wanted to mention that their thread 1 3/8 by 24. That way it accepts a lot of the competitors' QDs. All right, guys, I just decided to post this up here. That way y'all can see the specifications on them. Both the Warthogs are compatible with industry standard 1 3/8 by 24 mounting systems for universal QDs. Honestly, first appearance, beautiful. I mean, honestly. And really, I thought it was going to be a little bit heavier, to be honest, but it's actually pretty lightweight. I do like it. So let's just jump right into it. So we're going to go ahead. Of course, the black mag is the non-subsonics. We'll be shooting about 100 yards that direction, and let's give it a shot. Let's go ahead and pop in the subsonics. So those are subs and non-subs. Now we're going to pop on the suppressor, give it a shot. Chamber's cleared, and I'm going to blur this part out. All right, guys, that looks pretty sick, I ain't gonna lie. I'm pretty excited. So we're gonna use the non-subsonics 7.62 AB-Warthog. So non-subsonics first, because I want to get the full effect here. All right, here we go. Pretty impressed actually with even them being non-subsonic. That was nice. I like that. All right, here's the subsonics. Good Lord. That is amazing. Oh, wow. That is cool, guys. Wow. All right, so I went and retrieved my GoPro from downrange, and I'm still smiling about it. That was amazing. Wow. So yeah, that AB-Warthog was actually pretty damn quiet, and I'm very impressed. definitely worth the money. Of course, I'm gonna leave a description down below. That way y'all can pick y'all up one and see for yourselves, because that was an awesome experience. Cannot believe I own one now. But anyway, guys, let's go back to the table for just a second. I got a little bit more to talk about. That was pretty fun. I ain't gonna lie. I love that. Again, thank you, AB. That was pretty awesome. I got a special place for y'all sticker on my gun safe at the back of the house, and that's pretty much it, guys. Just I wanted to keep it short, simple, and honest review. Honestly, I would buy them every day, all day. It's a very good, well-built suppressor. Even after those 6 shots, the suppressor wasn't even hot. I have shot some 5.56, which I know they're a little hotter round, but after about 3 or 4, I mean, you couldn't even touch it, of course. With this one, after about 6 shots, it's actually still pretty cool. Man, that was a good experience. I do love that, and that's it. I do appreciate y'all stopping by. Again, I'll leave a link in the description below, and also some more information about the suppressors. Yeah, appreciate y'all coming by. Thank you. All right, screw it. Let's shoot some more. I can't get over how quiet this is. This is amazing. I love this. Let's do it again. Y'all ready? I'm ready.